This whole page was built with WPBakery, page builder that works with existing WordPress themes or is bundled in the development of a new one to provide an easy-to-use interface for non-tech users to create and update pages, no custom code and no complex setup. If it looks professional but feels hard to build, let's take a look behind it. We assure you, it's not. Behind the scenes, this page is just sections and content elements stacked together. So feel free to explore and play around. Explore and add images to your page, customize it to your needs. As simple as that, just like any other WPBakery element. Choose buttons or any other feature you need for your page. And using our drag and drop feature, simply place them where you need and adjust the layout visually, just like that. Or skip this step if you don't want to start from scratch and choose any predefined template with a single click and tailor it to your needs. And remember, what you see in the editor is what people see on the page. Simplicity at its finest. WPBakery plugin works whether you're just starting out or already building pages regularly. If you can explain what you do, you can build a page like this. WPBakery helps you put it all together. Learn more on our website.